Hello and welcome to Super Agent app walkthrough. My name is Pavel, the creator of Super Agent app. I represent the chat contact center, which had over 1 million chats from 2015. We always look for ways to increase the quality and responsiveness of our chat agents. Super Agent app was created to allow us to service more chats without losing any quality and responsiveness in the process. I believe it will be helpful for you also. Before we start, I invite you to pin Super Agent app to live chat menu so it is always easy accessible. Go to Apps menu, find Super Agent and use the pin icon. Thanks to that, you'll see Super Agent directly on the left menu of live chat. Open Super Agent app and authorize it first. Here you can see a list of accesses needed by Super Agent to work. Once activated, you will see an empty screen once there is no active chats associated with you. You need to start accepting chats and wait or start chat from Traffic tab. New chats present themselves immediately. You can see a chat in the same way as in the live chat interface, but now you'll be able to see all of them on one screen. If customers is waiting too long, the border of the chat becomes red. You can see canned responses, as always, by using hashtag, and you can tag each of your chats using predefined tags. Next chats will be visible on the right. You can jump between them using keyboard shortcuts presented in the bottom. And you can select if you want to see more than 8 chats or just 8, and if you want to see pages browsed by the customer. And that's it. If you have any questions or concerns, as well as ideas and suggestions, I'm open to hearing them all during free online meeting. Just select a time that is suitable for you. I also invite you to check our other apps like Super Trainer that sends reminders to your chat agent based on rules that you set, or Super Queue that is going to notify you about queuing customers. Both apps are free. Thank you for your attention and happy chatting.